Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the hottest trends in food and cooking, plant-based eating. Plant-based eating involves incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your diet, and reducing or eliminating animal products. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can have numerous health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So, how can you incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet? Here are a few tips. Experiment with new recipes. There are countless delicious plant-based recipes out there, from hearty soups and stews to flavorful salads and wraps. Try new recipes and experiment with different flavors and textures. Incorporate vegetables into your favorite dishes. Add more vegetables to your favorite dishes, such as pasta dishes, stir-fries, and tacos. This not only adds more nutrients to your meals but also makes them more colorful and flavorful. Make plant-based snacks. Snacks can be a great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Try making veggie sticks with hummus or fruit salad with a variety of berries. Focus on whole foods, rather than relying on processed or packaged plant-based foods. Focus on whole foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are packed with nutrients and are often more affordable than processed options. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet, you can improve your health and reduce your environmental impact. Plus, you'll discover new flavors and recipes that you'll love. Here's a recipe for a delicious and easy plant-based dish. Have you been loving our content? Please support this channel by liking and subscribing. Have you done that? Wow! Thanks. So let's continue with a plant-based recipe you would love. Here is the recipe for a chickpea and vegetable curry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 2 carrots, chopped, 2 potatoes, chopped, 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, 1 can, 13.5 ounces, coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: in a large pot, heat the coconut oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the onion is translucent. Add the curry powder, cumin, and cayenne pepper and stir to combine. Cook for another minute. Add the chopped carrots and potatoes and stir to coat them with the spices. Add the chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and coconut milk to the pot. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the sauce has thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the curry hot, garnished with fresh cilantro. This chickpea and vegetable curry is packed with flavor and nutrients, making it a delicious and healthy plant-based meal. Enjoy! So, if you're looking to incorporate more plant-based foods into your diet, Start by experimenting with new recipes and focusing on whole foods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.